Hello friends, welcome to my channel Jingle Bell. Today I am going to talk about. I heard a lot of people saying that if they see a thin child, they say that it is unhealthy, he is not fit, he is weak. So many labels they tag them. And when they see a chubby child, they say, "Oh wow, they are very cute, they are very chubby, they are healthy. How cute he looks." All the tags those kids get it. But what actual healthy we mean by it? If he's thin, he's unhealthy. Do you think that? Or if he is fatty, then you think it is healthy? So that's a wrong criteria to label the child healthy and unhealthy. Healthy can be considered only if his growth on his growth chart is consistently growing at the same percentile, then only he is considered as a healthy child. Both at a height and a weight proportion, he is growing at his chart of percentile. Okay, then only he is considered as a healthy child. And another criteria, he is running, he is playing all throughout the day and not getting tired easily. That is one criteria for his healthy. Another, he is not falling sick regularly or frequently. That is considered as a healthy. Even though he is sleeping well and waking up peacefully and calmly, that is considered as healthy. So if they require a lot of things to tell them and healthy. Only considering chubby child as a healthy child is a myth. You can only consider healthy child if the growth of that child on his growth chart is consistent and on his percentile is following his percentile. That is only called and healthy. Give them a healthy nutrient food, healthy sleep, healthy habits of playing, everything that is considered as unhealthy. Please let please, please consider all this criteria, then only label any child as a healthy child. Thank you so much. Hope you like my channel. Thank you.